Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 14th, and we have our little delphinium seedlings here. And they did germinate and sprout for us. Now, I did pre-chill these seeds. I had these seeds in the refrigerator from the time I had got them, and I stored them in a Ziploc bag. And these seeds are, I believe, from 2016. So, it did definitely help on the germination rate of them, because delphiniums can have a low germination rate to begin with, and you want to use fresh seeds or seeds that have properly been stored in like a cool area. I prefer to keep mine in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag. That's the best thing that I found for them, and it definitely worked for me. So when these start getting their true leaves, which one of them is starting to, I will come back. And these actually started coming up on the 6th of February for me. So it did take a little bit to come up. And some of them are still coming up. So if we get extras, because I planted extra seeds, I'm just going to prick the extra ones out then. I have a video that I did on it. I'll leave a link below on how to prick out your extra seedlings for transplanting them. And it worked for me, so that's what I use. And when these start getting their true leaves, I'll start feeding them once a week with Miracle-Gro water-soluble all-purpose plant food. You do a 4th teaspoon to a gallon of water, and you don't want to feed a dry plant because we don't want to burn the root system on them. So I'll feed these once a week then with that mixture, and I'll come back with more videos as they begin to grow and mature. And I do have another one, oopsie, sorry about that, right there, that's just germinating. And I did find another variety when I was going through some of my seeds in the refrigerator, so I did plant that one. It didn't start coming up for me yet. That's a shorter variety, so hopefully it doesn't need staked. So I just wanted to give you an update video on this. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below, and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.